What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between POCO F4 and POCO F4 GT smartphones to see which device is going to be better and how much difference we are going to get in terms of performance and benchmarking test score results, as both of these are pretty solid smartphones in terms of hardware specs. So here we go. So the benchmarking applications we got today here, they are 3D Mark, Geekbench 5 and Antutu Benchmark. So first of all, let's start with Antutu benchmarking. So POCO F4 scored 718,039 and POCO F4 GT scored 1,05,108 points. So as you can see that the winner is POCO F4 GT, as it has scored nearly 30% more points in the Antutu benchmark. If we go to the individual test score result, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and as you can see in all of these four, performance of POCO F4 GT is better compared to POCO F4, especially when it comes to GPU performance. The difference is huge, but in CPU and UX the difference is not too much. But our main concern is the overall score, and in that the winner is POCO F4 GT. So let's go back from here, let's have a look on the next test, and that's 3D Mark. It is a GPU benchmarking test, so it gives the idea about the gaming capability of the device. So here you can see we have performed few tests. So in Wildlife Extreme, POCO F4 scored 1245 and in Wildlife it is scored 4343, while POCO F4 GT, it is scored 2591 in Wildlife Extreme, and in Wildlife the performance was so good that it maxed out. So in both of these tests, Wildlife and Wildlife Extreme, performance of POCO F4 GT is better. And if you compare the test score result based on the Wildlife Extreme result, we can see that POCO F4 GT is getting 35 to 40% more points, and if you're talking about the FPS, then POCO F4 GT is getting exactly twice of POCO F4 in terms of FPS that we will get. So let's go back from here, and now let's have a look on the last test for today, and that's Geekbench 5. So this test is divided in single core and multi-core for the CPU, and in that POCO F4 scored 971 in single core and 3253 in multi-core, and POCO F4 GT scored 1222 in single core and 3784 in multi-core. So once again the winner is POCO F4 GT, as it scored nearly 30% more points in single core and 20% more points in multi-core. If we go to the compute test score result, here you can see that POCO F4 GT scored 6057 and POCO F4 scored 3465. So once again the winner is POCO F4 GT in all of these tests of Geekbench 5. So considering the points, we can assume that the performance of POCO F4 GT is going to be around 30 to 40% better compared to POCO F4 in our daily usage. But both of these are flagship level smartphones with the best hardware available in the market in their price segment. So it does not matter which smartphone you are going to buy, you will be happy with the performance for sure. But if you are a gamer, then you will get better performance on POCO F4 GT for sure, especially because of the physical shoulder trigger we got on this device. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.